Welcome to the ultimate guide for our bulk email WordPress plugin. In this tutorial, you're about to discover how to supercharge your email campaigns, effortlessly manage your email lists, and track your success like never before. If you're ready to take your communication to the next level and grow your business with powerful email marketing, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started. Let's kick things off by showing you the heart of the plugin, the main dashboard where all the magic happens. But before we dive into sending, let's take the first crucial step, setting up your email lists. I'll head over here to the email list section. This is where you'll organize your contacts and get everything ready to go. Now, let's explore the first drop-down menu. This is where you can select from your different email lists. You also have the option to send emails to your WordPress users and even choose specific WordPress user roles to send emails to. Next, let's create a brand new list. Simply type the name of your list into this field and you're all set to start building your contact group. Once your new list is saved, you'll see a variety of options appear. Right now, the list is empty since it's brand new. But don't worry, you can easily import contacts using a CSV file or export your list to a CSV whenever you need. Once you've selected or dropped in your CSV file into the field, make sure to press on the Import button. For now, I'll manually add an entry using these fields just below the table. I will show you later how the CSV file needs to be set up. Above the table, we've also got a handy search option for quick access to specific contacts. If you ever need to delete an entire list, you can do that here as well. But make sure you're 100% certain before clicking delete, as this action can't be undone. Now, let's move on to the campaigns page to set up a new campaign. Now we're on the campaign management page, where the real power of your email marketing comes into play. To get started, we'll type in the name of our new campaign right here and hit Create Campaign. Once it's created, you'll see it instantly added to the table below, giving you a complete overview of all your campaigns in one place. Now, when you select a campaign from the table, you'll be able to dive into the details, viewing all the email batches you've sent and tracking their performance over time. This makes managing your email efforts seamless and organized, ensuring you're always on top of your campaigns. Now, let's create a reusable email template that you can select whenever you're ready to send an email. First, we have this drop-down where you can choose any template you've already created. But for now, we're going to make a brand new one. Let's give our template a name. This is for your reference only and won't be visible to your recipients. Next, we'll add a subject line, which will be the first thing your recipients see in their inbox. Now for the email body. This is where you'll craft your message. We've included a powerful editor to make things easy for you. At the bottom, you'll see 5 buttons: first name, last name, email, phone, and additional info. These placeholders pull data directly from your contact list. For example, if you click first name, it will automatically insert the first name of the recipient from your list into the email. For now, we'll keep it simple, but you can get creative with these tools later. Once you're happy with the template, go ahead and save it. Now, if you check the drop-down again, you'll see your saved template ready to go. You'll notice that the fields, like the subject line and email body, automatically fill in, making it super easy to reuse for future emails. Now, let's get down to business and actually send some emails. First, in this drop-down, we'll select the email list we want to use. If you need to, you can manually add extra emails here that aren't in the list. Just keep in mind that these addresses won't have dynamic information like first names or other personalized details. Next, we'll choose which campaign this email should be attached to. Then we'll move on to our templates and select the one we created earlier. You can still tweak the content here if you'd like, but remember, any changes won't update the original template. They'll only apply to this specific email send. Once everything looks good, hit send and watch as the page updates. Now let's head over to the campaign page to see the email batch we just sent. Let's click on our campaign. Here, you can see all the batches that were sent for this campaign. You'll notice the batch ID, which increments by 1 for each batch, the email subject, the list the batch was sent to, and finally, 2 important metrics: open rate and click-through rate. Open rate is when an email is opened. CTR is when a link was clicked. If needed, you can delete the entire batch from here, but let's take a closer look first. When we open the email batch, we can track its progress. You'll see how many emails have been sent, any that failed to send, and how many are being retried. Emails that don't exist or are invalid won't be retried. You can also drill down to see individual emails and whether they've been opened or interacted with. Finally, let's refresh the page to check if our batch has fully sent. And yes, the email was sent successfully and the batch is complete. On a final note, let's take a quick look at how your CSV file should be set up. Here's some sample data. The first column must be for first names. While the first row can have any header you like, every row after that must contain a first name. The second column should be for last names, followed by the third for emails and the fourth for phone numbers. If you don't have any numbers, leave the fourth column blank. From the fifth column onward, you can add any custom data you want. And this information will be available through the Additional Info button in the message editor. Now let's head back to the email lists page. Select the list you want to import your CSV file into. You can either click to select your file or just drag and drop it right here, like I'm doing. Once you've done that, press Import, and just like that, all the data from your CSV file will be added to your email list. You'll notice that the table has automatically updated, with each column filled in with the correct information from the CSV. Next, if we return to either the Email Templates page or the main dashboard where we compose our emails, you'll see that under Additional Info, the custom data you included in your CSV file is available to be added dynamically into your messages. This is perfect for personalizing your emails with specific details. Now, let's go ahead and update our template. When we select it, you'll see that all the custom information we added from the CSV file is now included. That's a wrap. You're now equipped to unleash the full potential of our bulk email WordPress plugin. Sending high-impact emails has never been this easy. Ready to boost your engagement and grow your audience? Start using the plugin today and watch your results skyrocket. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the power to transform your email marketing is just a few clicks away.